Hey friends, it's Sean with iwashyouDry.com, and today we are going to be making this incredible orange fluff salad. It's light and fluffy with a super unique texture that you are going to love. Trust me on this. I originally got this recipe from a friend and I was smitten at first taste and I just had to have it. So here it is. This is what we're doing. All you need is 5 ingredients. Let me show you how easy this is to make. So we are gonna start with 8 ounces of whipped topping, and you need to make sure it's thawed, as well as 3 ounces of orange Jello mix, just the powder. Now this is the non-sugar-free blend, so if you wanted to use sugar-free, just use the smaller package of the sugar-free Jello. But we're just gonna add the gelatin mixture straight to that whipped topping. And then we're gonna stir this until it's all combined. Now this would be great with all sorts of flavors. You can do pineapple, strawberry, mixed berry. There is just so many different variations to this recipe. And I'm sure you've tried it at a potluck or a party before and wondered yourself, like, well, how can I make that? That is so good. Here you go, this is it. Just so simple. All right, now before you run away after this next ingredient, you have to trust me on this. I know it sounds bizarre and weird, but yes, we are going to add in cottage cheese. So I am using a small curd. You can also use a large curd, and we're just gonna use 16 ounces of cottage cheese. So about 2 cups. I'm gonna add that right in here. And trust me, I know it sounds totally bizarre, but it really gives this unique salad its amazing texture. It is so good. Trust me, don't run away. It is so good. Okay, so we're folding that cottage cheese in, and then we are going to use 1 14-ounce can of mandarin oranges, and I've drained them, and we're just gonna add that right in there, as well as 1 cup of mini marshmallows. Now, I know a lot of people don't usually put mini marshmallows in there. I love it. I love how it gives it that chewy little texture to it. So we're just gonna fold this all together. And this salad is so fantastic to take to parties and potlucks, perfect for a cookout. Oh my gosh, you are going to love it. It is so addicting. It's one of those things that, you know, it's definitely, I would say, a dessert, but it's called a salad. I don't know why, but it's good. We love it. Okay, and that's it, you guys. That's it. That's all you have to do. Mix it all together. You can refrigerate it and store it until you are ready to enjoy it, or you can enjoy it right away, and that's what we're gonna do right now. So I'm just gonna put some in this bowl. It's so light and fluffy. Look at that. This would be great with, like I said, all sorts of different flavors. Pineapple is another popular one. Okay, let's give it a try. I'm so excited. Let me try to get a little bit of everything in there. An orange, some marshmallow, cottage cheese. So good. Oh my gosh, you guys. This just reminds me of summertime. I love it so much. I cannot wait for you to give this a try. Go ahead and check this recipe out on iwashyouDry.com, as well as more delicious potluck recipes and desserts and treats just like this one. And I will see you guys next time. Bye.